guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Masha, and in today's video I got a Banana Republic haul for you today, and I ordered something for spring summer, which is a lot of dresses and a lot of pieces that you can wear for summer. And I apologize for the noise. Peter is here, my son, and he's playing with some toys, so just in general I apologize in advance because you will probably be hearing some noise moving forward, but hopefully it's not going to be that loud. But without further ado, just let's get started. Let's get into this haul and I'll show you some cool things. I will be just picking up things from the bag. So today it's not as big, but it's definitely really exciting. Maybe I'll just leave this video as is, or I will post it as a separate video, or maybe I will include this video into my vlogs, which I started regularly, but yeah, now it's not just like ideal still yet, but okay, yeah, I'm trying my best. I don't know what happened, but I got a lot of nude pieces of a beige and white color. So let's see. Initially, let's see the first thing. So the first one is I see shorts, and I think I remember getting these shorts in 2 sizes. This one is size 4. It definitely seemed a little big to me for my size, and I think they are linen shorts. And in mind, I have some outfits with these shorts. It's like wearing them under the blazers with little crop tops and such kind of things for summer. So they look like this, and I'm filming on a new camera, so I hope the quality is not as bad. And they feel pretty soft, but they definitely see through, so I can't already see that they are see-through, but we'll try them on and we'll find out. So the next one will be something in this bag. Let me see what it is really quick. So I got this dress, and it's again in the beige color. So you can see that it's I think it's a mini dress. It's beige something, maybe linen, maybe cotton, not sure yet, but I'll try to see. But I don't see it on the label, so it doesn't say anything here. It's in extra small, but it's still feels a little bit big, but we'll find out again. And it has these 2 square pockets on the breast, and also it has a belt, which I really like, and so you can just accentuate your waist. That's the dress. It was $99 for sure. So these dresses are really easy to wear, just for summer, just to when you have like nothing to wear for those type of days when you have nothing to wear in your wardrobe, and then you're thinking what to wear, and then you can throw on this dress, which is so easy and so perfect just for those hot days. It has this belt which is attached like a fabric belt, but I thought I'm gonna just give it a try with this belt that I have myself, my own belt, and we'll see how it looks. So, and I think, yeah, I will still be looking for the brown belt, like a dark brown, because I really love how everything looks with the brown belt. In general, this dress is a super easy summer dress, and I really like these sleeves and this neckline, so you can just keep it closed like this, which is too much for me, and then I would like to keep it like this maybe. And I think with the belt it looks a little bit more dressy and a little bit more put together. Yeah, that's how it looks from the back. Not sure if it's perfect from the back, but in general I like this dress, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. Just let me know in the comments below if you really like it. And I think it potentially maybe way too simple. This dress is also in extra small size. and it's in a very interesting shape, definitely. So it's more of a L-line silhouette, but it has a belt which is going a little bit upper, I think a little bit up the waistline, so it's not on the waistline but a little bit on top of the waistline, and it has this neckline which it looks really flattering, I think, with this shoulders open, with the line like showing the shoulders for my type of figure, the silhouette, and it has two little buttons from the back. This one, maybe it's a see-through because it doesn't have any lining from what I see, from what I can tell, but it's definitely a really beautiful dress. And also here is also a see-through, maybe see-through, and it might be hard to choose the bra for this particular dress because you have to look for something which is not visible from here, so it should be strapless bra. This dress is gorgeous, you guys, so I really love this neckline. It's so flattering. I think it's just like the most perfect thing for summer, and I really like how it's showing off the shoulders because and the bones right here. I like how it's also defining the waistline, and the silhouette, it's just perfect. But it definitely needs steaming because all dresses and everything that I got in here are very creased, and they'll probably be creased because it's all natural material. I believe this is cotton, and the jumpsuit is in linen, and shorts are linen too. Yeah, but I'm sorry guys, I don't have time right now to iron them. I think you get the idea, and I would love to iron them all as well, but yeah, unfortunately, if there is a slight chance that if I iron them now, my baby will wake up and then I have no time to film everything else. So I'll have ironed pieces but not filmed pieces. Yeah, so let's just continue with that. And one thing to keep in mind is that this dress and the jumpsuit and everything else, it doesn't have any lining, so everything is see-through. If you're wearing something underneath right here, so it will be see-through. If you're not wearing something, it will be see-through anyway, and from the back as well. So just to always keep in mind to wear the light underwear, like the similar color, tan or beige color underwear will go perfect right here. And because of the length of this dress, it requires some heels, so I'm wearing these ones, the same that I was showing you previously, and probably everything will be wearing with these heels because they just look perfect with everything. I've got a lot of dresses in this haul, and here's one more dress. It was white dress on the website, but I see now it's more of a cream color, and sorry, Peter is talking to cars. And I see that it's in extra small, and it has the belt as well, which and I have very similar dress, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one or not. It has the sleeve, which is more of a like a short dress. Again, might be see-through, but again, very easy dress in a mini or midi length, not sure yet, but yeah, so it looks like this. So hopefully you guys can see, but if you don't see it, don't worry, in a second I'm gonna show you, and we'll see together. I'm already wearing a different dress, but I thought I forgot to mention that this dress will be so perfect if I still work at Google as I did like a couple years ago. Then I would definitely wear this dress. If you don't have a strict dress code and you're looking for something which is dressy enough and it doesn't have very deep V-neckline, and the length doesn't really bother you, so it's like a couple inches above the knee, so which is normal, this dress is perfect for that. So you can wear it with flats, or you can wear it with a little high heel, and yeah, it's just the perfect option for like a business casual, I think, more of it, and the color is really good too. So you can dress it up or dress it down. You can wear it with a blazer on top, you can wear it with a cardigan, or even you can go, or when you're going for on the weekend, so you can wear it with a shirt, with a maybe similar color shirt or a bright color shirt. I'm actually looking for one really bright color poplin shirt, and I was checking Zara, but they're sold out, so I'm gonna be looking for that. And then if I decide to keep this dress, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to style it for more of a fun option, as well as the more of a formal ways to style this dress. But for now, yeah, I think I just sold this dress to myself and I think I'm gonna keep it. But the next dress I have in here, so let me put this one back. It's this, I think it's poplin dress. It's in white color. It has this boof sleeve, and I also give it a little steam. It has a belt, but for me it doesn't have the proper hole right here, so I had to just do this. But probably everything which I got in here in this hole will look better with a proper belt that I can just tie around the waistline. But I love how everything looks with a belt. It just looks so much better. It defines the silhouette, it defines the lines and curves. So for this one, it has the round neckline. But it's very dangerous, so I'm not sure if you can see I'm not wearing a bra because just not wearing a bra with this dress, but I think I should. So I'm just showing you like this, and then just keep in mind as well that this dress requires a nude bra, and it looks like this from the back, and the length is perfect. I really like it. I think everybody should have a perfect white dress for summer. I'm not sure how perfect this dress is, and I'm still not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. So let me know in the comments below if you like it. But so far it looks fun. So I really love the sleeves, like how they're a little buff, so you can just move it like this. As well, might be a little good white dress for work, for business, casual as well. So if you just cinch it with a different belt and wear a proper bra underneath, and just go in for work like this, I think it's proper. So, but if you're going to the beach, that's fine too. So you can just wear it like this, maybe for more of a fun option, or for coffee to the restaurant, for more of a casual event. I think, or even for coffee, just like for everyday dress, it's good. I love it. The next one is, I think these are the second pair of shorts. Sorry for making the noise with the bag. And this is the second pair of shorts, and I got them in the smaller size. So this one is definitely size 2. It looks that they would be better for me. So I think, yeah. So I wanted to wear these shirts with the blazers too, with shorts on top. So like a white shirt, oversized white shirt, and then shorts, and then some top underneath. And maybe you can just, I can wear different color shorts, white shirts, pink shirts, blue shirts on top, and then these are very neutral. I'm actually filming already the next day because my camera died and I had like run out of my memory too, and so today we are filming. I think it's all gonna be good. So the first item that I'm trying on is this beautiful jumpsuit. It's in as I showed you previously, it's in this pretty color, like a beige and linen color, and but unfortunately it's way too big for me, and I think I'll have to return it back because it's way too big, and I cinch it with my belt, but it doesn't really help because it has a lot of, like, see the extra fabric right here. So that's why I will return it. I really like the neckline. See, that was I was talking about. I really like the square neckline. I think it looks really flattering and really simple, at the same time really stylish and very like a summer appropriate too. And really actually sad that it doesn't fit. So I'm not sure why I got it in size 4. Maybe I'll check out if they still have it in size 2, then I'm gonna grab it really quickly because it's really perfect for me and I really love it. Yeah, I'm pairing everything today with this heels. I got them from Brewer Island, and I'll probably be cutting this chain because I don't like it, but without chain it looks just like a Bottega dupes probably, so that's why I really like it. Really nude and with a square toe. It goes with everything pretty much. That's how it looks from the back. I really like the cropped length pants, and will go perfectly with the brown belt as well as the brown shoes too. Oh, I think I got the shoes. Let me show you really quickly. And the next item that I got in this haul will be these beautiful shoes. They are in a brown, like dark brown color, and I thought I'm gonna find the same belt and then we'll be wearing these brown, so that's what I had in mind. I'll be wearing these brown, very dark brown sandals with a little heel and like a belt. So instead of this one, I can wear the same color belt and it will look so much better with the belt. But these are just so soft, you guys, and already I'm not gonna lie, so I gave them a try and they are so comfortable and very soft. So this part, it's not leather, but it's super soft. It's like I don't know how to explain. It's like, you know, the bag's like very soft and squishy. So this is the sort of material and fabric. So it looks and feels very soft. And I bet they're gonna be all like super comfortable for the entire day wearing these heels. And that's what I was thinking about these heels when I first saw them. Not particularly my style because I like something higher and something in terms of heel and something which is more, I don't know, like a different style, but we'll try, we'll see. I think now as my style changed slightly because I have a baby and he needs a lot of walking, so maybe for some weekend that's gonna be really good if I need to wear some heels, because probably now I'm mostly wearing sneakers and I'll just like got bored, and for summer I was thinking that to get something cool and to get something dressy. And yeah, let me just show you really quickly. So that's how it looks from the front. It has a little bow on the front, and that's the height of the heel. It's not too much. Really easy to wear and to throw on with a lot of pieces. So neutral. You can wear them with jeans, with everything, and then look perfect with this linen color as well. I hope you liked this Banana Republic haul, and I'll see you in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.